In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you delete an Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the messages page. For that, click on this icon given at the bottom middle. Now here you're gonna find all the conversation. Open the conversation that contains the messages you want to remove. It's important to know that Instagram does not currently offer an option to permanently delete an entire conversation from both sides with a single tap. If you delete the chat from your inbox, it only removes it from your account while the other person will still be able to see the conversation. If you want to remove messages from both your chat and the recipient's chat, you will need to unsend each message that you personally sent. To do this, press and hold on the message and select the option of unsend. Once you unsend the message, it will be removed from both sides of the conversation. Repeat the same process for each message you want to remove. Keep in mind that you can only unsend messages that you sent yourself. You cannot unsend messages sent by the other person. After you have unsent all the messages, only other person's messages will remain in the conversation unless they choose to delete or unsend their own messages. So that's all for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.